Complimenting in Chinese, a heartfelt gesture. Compliments are not just words, they are tools to foster better interpersonal bonds. They uplift spirits, and who doesn't like a dose of genuine praise? If you are keen to compliment in Mandarin, let's pave the path for you. Basic structure of compliment in Mandarin. 你 plus 很 or 好 plus 真 plus adjective. It's straightforward. 你 means you, referring to the compliment recipient. You can also use specific names or other pronouns. 好 or 真 or 很 amplifies adjective that follows, translating to very or really. The adjective denotes a quality you are admiring, such as 漂亮 pretty, 聪明 smart, 帅 handsome, and so on. Examples: 你很漂亮 You are very beautiful. 你很聪明 You are very smart. 你很努力 You are very hardworking. 你真棒 You are awesome. 你真可爱 You are really adorable. 他好帅 He is quite handsome. Vocabulary to complement personality and appearance. 漂亮 pretty, 美丽 beautiful, 帅 handsome, cool, 大方 generous, 温柔 gentle, 可爱 cute, 聪明 smart, 热情 passionate, 随和 easygoing, 幽默 humorous, 体贴 caring, 乐于助人 helpful, gracefully accepting compliments. While in Western cultures, a direct thank you suffices, Chinese culture often leans towards modesty. If you receive a compliment, you might hear the humble response, 过奖了 You are flattering me, or the familiar 谢谢 Thank you. In conclusion, when words might be simple, their impact is profound. Compliments are universal, yet knowing how to give and receive them culturally enriches your interactions. So, the next time you are chatting with a Mandarin speaker, sprinkle in some compliments and watch the conversation blossom. And now, for a fun twist, 你真棒! How are you going to respond? We'd love to hear from you. Leave your comments below and let us engage in a spirited Mandarin compliment exchange. 再见 Bye!